How to make $200 plus every day with affiliate marketing step by step. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about how can we make $200 plus every day with affiliate marketing. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Affiliate marketing helps you earn money online by promoting other people's products and services. It is a great way to generate passive income after the initial effort of getting people to see your affiliate offers. I know from experience that beginners find it difficult to understand how to make money from affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll give you the exact steps to follow to succeed with affiliate marketing and start making money. Plus, I'll provide you with several examples of what it takes to make $200 per day with affiliate marketing and how to get that to $1,000 per day. So if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing, then follow these steps. Step number 1, create a content-rich website. With affiliate marketing, you make money by referring people to the products they need. Some affiliates use their social media profiles or YouTube channels to share products with potential buyers. However, the most common way to get people in front of your affiliate products is to have your own website. With a website, you can publish high-quality content that attracts visitors and motivates them to continue to the product's website to complete their purchase. The key to getting results from your content is to produce a mix of both informational and promotional material. If all you do is promote one affiliate offer after another, your audience will be less likely to take your recommendations seriously, and you minimize your chances of getting the attention of Google and Google traffic. Over time, this will help you build trust and a connection with your audience. We recommend creating around 70% informational content and 30% affiliate marketing content. This ratio will ensure that you have enough content to build authority while still having enough marketing assets to make money on your affiliate offers. The most common type of educational content is how to post that give readers a step-by-step process for performing a specific task. Product reviews. One of the most common types of affiliate content is product reviews. With these, you give readers a detailed breakdown of everything they need to know about a product of which you are an affiliate. When you write product reviews, it is important that the content is truly helpful to readers. Google recently updated how it ranks product reviews to prioritize the content. Other effective types of affiliate content are comparison and roundup posts. Best of posts. Roundup posts list multiple solutions for a particular use case. They are essentially less in-depth product reviews for several products at once. You can also think of these as best posts, as their titles are often something like 15 best tools for. Here is an example of a roundup post comparing the best social media marketing tools. Product comparison posts. Comparisons, as the name suggests, will compare two or more different products. For example, if you are an affiliate in the web hosting niche, you might try the Bluehost versus Kinsta comparison. Step number 2, get targeted traffic from Google. As you enrich your website with high-quality content, you'll need to devise a strategy for driving people to your site to click your affiliate links and ultimately make purchases. There are several ways to get visitors to your site. The best of these traffic sources is search traffic from Google and other search engines. The reason traffic from Google is so valuable is because it allows you to focus on a highly targeted group of people. You ultimately need people to make purchases if you want to earn any money, so you don't want random or uninterested people on your site. With Google search, you know exactly what someone is looking for and can create content that targets the people that are interested in your products. Keep in mind that not all keywords are the same. While you want to target search terms with high search volume, you also want to ensure that the keywords have purchase intent and are not just general queries. Step number 3, promote products that people are actively searching to buy. After you've honed in on good keyword targets, your next focus is to choose the products you want to promote. There are several key qualities to look for, which we'll go through in the next few steps of our guide on how to make money as an affiliate marketer. The first is to promote affiliate products with consistent demand. You need to promote products that people are actually searching for. When you are creating your plan to get targeted traffic, you will naturally get an idea of the types of products people are searching for. While looking for products with an active interest, keep an eye on the level of competition in the niche. The more competitive the keywords are for certain types of products, the harder it will be for you to rank and drive traffic to your site. One way to understand the demand for a particular niche is to use Google Trends. Step number 4, promote products that sell. In addition to marketing actively searched products, It is vital that you promote products that sell. By this, I mean promoting products with a high conversion rate. Conversion rate is a metric that measures the percentage of people that complete a purchase after seeing your products. A high conversion rate means you are drawing maximum value from your web traffic. When searching for high converting products, start by identifying the best solutions in your market. High quality products from trustworthy brands will naturally perform better than those that aren't as good. Generally, lower priced products convert at a higher rate than more expensive ones. Step number 5, promote products that offer high affiliate commissions. High converting products will help you make money with affiliate marketing, but it is also important to promote products that pay high commissions. If you earn higher commissions for each order, you need fewer sales to hit your income goals. To put this in perspective, let's review a couple of different scenarios. In the first instance, you promote common consumer goods from Amazon that cost between $10 and $20. The affiliate program pays a 5% commission per sale, so you'll get 50 cents to $1 per sale. If you were to convert 10% of your traffic, it would take 10 visitors to make $1 and 1,000 visitors to make $100. Now compare this to an affiliate program where you promote a $200 product and earn 50% or $100 per sale. There are 3 key factors that will determine your level of affiliate commissions: product price, commission rates, and recurring payments. Sales price. In nearly every affiliate program, the product sales price will affect how much you earn for each sale. This is because most programs pay you a percentage of each sale. For example, the Shopify affiliate program will pay you 2 times the subscriber's first monthly fee. Commission rate. The commission rate is the percentage of the product's price that you earn when you make a sale. It can have a huge impact on how much money you make with affiliate marketing. 2 different affiliate programs could contain $200 products, but if one gives 50% commissions and the other 10%, then one is much more profitable than the other. Recurring payments. Some of the best high-ticket affiliate programs pay recurring commissions for revenue generated over time. Affiliate products with recurring commissions can be some of the highest paying, as they allow you to maximize the value of each buyer. Step number 6, optimize your affiliate links to get more clicks. Affiliate links are how you earn money for sales. When a customer buys an affiliate product after clicking your link, the affiliate merchant will credit you with the sale and pay you the appropriate commission as agreed upon in the program details. So, the best products won't do much good if no one clicks your affiliate links. This is why it is important to optimize your link placements to maximize the number of people that click them. You only want to add links where they are appropriate and shouldn't include them when they don't fit into your content. Adding too many links can negatively impact the user experience, which in turn can lead to lost sales. Here are some other tips on how to optimize your affiliate links. Contextual links. The majority of your affiliate link placements will be contextual links. These are URL hyperlinks added to the specific text within the body of your content. The best place to add these links depends on the type of article you are writing. For a listicle comparison analyzing 10 different products, you can add an affiliate link to each product in the corresponding header. Banners. Banners give you a way to add visually appealing graphics that catch your visitors' attention. You can place them on your sidebar or in the middle of your posts. Many affiliate programs come with banners and other ready-made marketing assets, so you don't have to worry about designing them yourself. Resources page. A resources page displays a list of various tools that are relevant to your audience. After you have established yourself as an authority in your industry, these pages can be an effective way to direct your readers to your affiliate offers. Email. Another effective way to use your affiliate links is to add them to your email marketing messages. With your email campaigns, you should follow the same principle of mixing informational and promotional messages. Add an email subscription to your website and start sending regular emails to your subscribers. Like the content that you post, the more useful information you provide in these messages, the more trust you will build with your audience. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.